After consolidating for a couple of days for this week, gold once again has achieved higher highs and is seen at 1935, now trading at close to 1930. Silver too has come back to its original position at $24, which is definitely a good resistance. We asked you to buy at 1910 levels and 2340 levels. I hope you all profited. Now what to expect today? Which position you should take in order to profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. The next update on gold will be released precisely almost 10 hours from now. Do watch that also. Let's start. First we'll look into gold, followed with silver. Do watch till the end. Do listen to it carefully. Do note down the levels and trade as per the levels. Now these are the hourly charts for gold. Higher highs are seen. 1935 levels, giving it a resistance, creating a wall out here. And if you consider this is an expanding triangle. Any breach below this zone at, I will rather wait for 1925 because below that 1920 is the first support, and below that it may try to attempt and achieve. See, interestingly, dollar is trading in $5 blocks here. Gold is trading in $5 blocks here. Every $5 it try to achieve and try to retest the lows there. See, 1920 it got the resistance strongly, and before that it has achieved 1925-26 also yesterday. Now it has seen 1935 levels. So first thing is only about 1935 we are going to buy. That is very clear. Now if you look at this on the downside, it is trying to expand on the downside. Once you see it trading below 1927, you can sell a bit, but then you should be cautious of 1924, 1920 levels. These are very good support levels, and if it breaks below 1920, you can see a further drop. See, this is the consolidation zone. You can see here at 1900 and 1910, achieving the lows at 1896. It is given higher highs, and you can see this couple of resistances here at 1912, 1915 zone. So possibly once it trades below 1927, you can initiate a sell entry for 1924, 1920 and then 1915, 1910. But only sell below 1927. And yes, if you see it trading above 1935, anyways, my favorite number 1940, 1950 levels will be seen. Remember, in my weekly analysis, and in fact we have been tracking this for long, 1940, 1950 is going to be definitely a tough resistance. Let's see if it does achieve this week before it tries to retrace. And see, directional movement on the hourly charts is extremely bullish here. Stochastic was overbought, and see, with just minor movement it has seen a sharper drop here. Look at the MACD. This is trying to converge here, and this is happening at a high. RSI is also overbought, and hence possibly it may try to retrace a little on the downside before it tries to bounce back. Now if you look at 2-hour charts, likewise on the 2-hour chart, see these two candles, 1935 giving it a tougher resistance, and since then it has tried to retrace. At the same time, look at these two candles, it is shying away from 1929 to be breached. Now it is looking forward to, if it breaks below 1927, you can expect 1924. See, this zone now going to give it a very good support, and then 1920 levels. Only below 1920 further bearishness can be expected. Till that time you have to trade with caution here. Direction movement is bullish. Stochastic on the 2-hour charts is overbought. The MACD is bullish, but it is trying to converge here. You can see this. It is trying to, the candle size has achieved the high, so probably it may look forward to a little conversion before it tries to bounce back. RSI is also trading near to the highs. It is sloping downwards here. Now if you look at 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour chart, see couple of candles getting the resistance at the same levels. Now see two candles of retracement expanding here. If you see it trading below 1927, you can sell. Then you can expect same levels which you had seen 1924, 1920. Now see, previously 1890 was the support level. Now 1910 is going to be very good support here. So this zone is going to be extremely important for gold to breach past 1910, 1900, only below which you can expect little more bearishness. Directional movement extremely bullish. Stochastic overbought. MACD has again crossed over for the bullish move. See, this crossover is happening at the bottom. It is trying to trade with little divergence, little bullishness. RSI is trading at the highs there. And if you look at 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour chart, see, I can sense a symmetry here. These two candles are almost forming a mirror image. Now I will wait for the next candle, and possibly next candle may try to take it little lower there, and which maybe you can see higher highs here. So a possibility of it to retrace a little on the downside exists. I will wait for it to breach past the support levels, specifically below 1920 and 1915 levels. But yes, these levels are also achievable on the downside. Directional movement is bullish, stochastic is overbought. The MACD has crossed over here at the bottom, and this is bullish. So a couple of retracement candle, but overall it may remain bullish. RSI is trading near to the highs. And if you look at the daily chart, now look at the daily charts here. See, after a little bit of retracement here, it has given a breakout again on the upside. Now only if it trades above 1935, you can expect that we may see 1940, 1944, 1950 levels also. That is one part to it. So you can remain long once you see it trading above 1935 levels. Certainly one can remain long. At the same time, if it tries to retrace, the retracement possibly can be a little strong. 1950 levels are going to 1950, 1910 levels are going to be an extreme support for the day. And if it breaches this, certainly little more bearishness can be seen. Then it can erase all the gains from yesterday and drop sharply. Directional movement moderately bullish. Stochastic has seen a little drop and now trying to rise again. The MACD is trying to converge. It was bullish. And if you look at the RSI, this is again trading overbought. Considering this, you can sell at 1927 levels, but then on the downside, be alert and cautious. Even in fact, it trades above 1915 levels. Only below 1915, it is going to show you bearish momentum where 1910, 1900 levels can be expected. Till the time it trades above 1915, the possibility of a retracement on the upside exists, and hence you should trade with caution and you should trade with a trailing stop loss. So first milestone below 1927 is 1924, then 1920, then 1915 levels to be seen. You have to strictly trade with a trailing stop loss on the downside. On the upside beyond 1935, yes, we can expect another round of bullish move which might take it further highs till towards 1944 levels. Possibility exists. In fact, 1950 can be seen. So take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss and trade with a trailing stop loss here. Now let's have a look at silver. And yes, if you want to learn the art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The 19th batch is going to start in first week of February. Book your seats now. Do not wait for the last moment as seats are filling fast. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at silver here. Silver, see, first thing is yesterday we saw that it has consolidated here in this zone 2340, 2350 and 2320. After this, it has given a good breakout that we had expected that possibly silver might see a breakout. Now see, first stop here at 2360, next stop here at 2390, 2385, 80 levels. And in past also we knew that for 20 cents, that is 2380, is a very good support for silver now on the downside. So till the time silver trades about 2380, do not sell silver here. Only below 2380 you can expect 2365, 2360 levels as the maximum support, and below that only you can expect a little drop. So sell silver at 2380, that is very clear. Now if you look at the hourly charts, higher lows are seen. Flat top here, possibly once it gives a breakout from here, you can expect another round of bullish move. Might take it for 2410, which is definitely a good resistance, and then 2420. These two levels you should watch out for. Only about 2420, 2430 it is going to remain bullish. Directional movement here is bullish. Stochastic was overbought, has seen a little drop. MACD is in green, trying to converge. RSI is trading near the highs. And if you look at the 2-hour chart, similar observation on the 2-hour chart. See lower highs here, flat top, and where I told you once it breaks out, it is going to be a good breakout. Now see, it is trying to form your symmetry here. Lower highs means 24, 20, 24, 30 levels can be expected here, which is definitely going to remain a good resistance zone. Directional movement is moderately bullish. Stochastic overbought. MACD has crossed over at the bottom. Now see, this is seen the highs, probably it must start to converge from here. RSI is still trading bullish, looking upwards. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, now look at the 3-hour charts here. See, silver again consolidated at 2340 and now given a breakout. 2380 is the only possible sell position. Now it has to sustain about $24 level so that it can trade profitably. You can expect 2420 levels to be seen beyond this, and see if it breaks past these levels here at 2420, you can expect that probably we is further stronger bullish move might take it till towards 2430, 2440. Till 2460, do not consider this as because we have seen in past three times that 2450, 2460 it is achieved, and it is though my near term targets for silver are 2550 and $26 levels, but it is taking time for it to break out. So let's see further how far it takes. Directional movement moderately bearish, stochastic overbought, MACD crossing over here at the bottom, and it is still got scope for it to rise from here. The RSI is trying to trade moderately bullish, and if you look at the 4-hour charts, now look at the 4-hour charts, higher lows, higher highs. This is increasing bullishness. Possibly once it sustains about $24, you can expect that we might look at 2420 levels. Directional movement moderately bearish, stochastic overbought, MACD crossing over here at the bottom, and now possibly it may continue with the upward journey from here. RSI trading near the highs. Now look at the daily chart. On the daily charts, previous two candles, lower highs, lower lows. It is trying to break out from here. If it sustains about 24, stay long for 2420, 2430. In fact, 2440, 50, 60, it can breach past the previous highs also, because silver, once it starts giving a move, it definitely trades with conviction. And you can see silver is trading in this block for long now, 2350, $23 to 2450, 60. It has to give a breakout either which ways at some point of time. Till then, you have to just trade with the swing. Right now, for the day, buy at 24, sell at 23.8. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic has seen a little drop. The MACD is bearish. It may converge. RSI trading flat. So considering this, remember 2420, 2430, 40, 50, 60. Till there, every 10 cent silver has got little resistance till 2460. Beyond that, see, just stay long in silver. If it trades about 2460, you can expect 25, 2550, $26 levels in the near future. So take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss, and do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.